Greetings to all of you. We are glad to have you back at the T&H Podcast. I am Hannah.
And I'm Thomas.
Hi, Hannah, and a warm welcome to our fantastic audience. I am truly happy to be back with you all.
Indeed. How have you been lately, Thomas?
I feel wonderful, thanks for asking. My weekend was quite pleasant.
Oh, I can say the same. Mine was lovely as well.
That is great to hear. And that happens to be our subject for today's discussion, doesn't it?
Yes, precisely. We will be focusing on the weekend today.
The weekend. It is one of my favorite things to talk about.
Same here. We're going to go over some basic English vocabulary to describe our activities on Saturday and Sunday.
That seems like it will be very helpful. People ask about it all the time.
It certainly is. However, before we begin, we have a quick favor to ask of our listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy this show, please spare a second to hit the like button. It makes a big difference for us.
Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on new releases. And feel free to share this with anyone you know who is studying English. We truly appreciate your support. Yes, many thanks. All right, Thomas, let's dive into the topic of the weekend.
I am all set. So, Hannah, I have to know, how did your weekend go?
It was quite lovely, thank you. I had a lot going on.
Busy, huh? Well, what were you up to on Saturday?
To start, my family and I headed to the mall on Saturday morning.
To the mall. I'm a fan of the mall myself.
I agree. We had a good time.
Did you pick up any new outfits or footwear?
No, not at all. We didn't purchase a thing. We just strolled around.
I see. Just walking around and looking at things is what people call window shopping.
Window shopping. Exactly. That describes our morning. We just browsed the stores.
That can still be quite enjoyable.
It is. Plus, we treated ourselves to some ice cream.
Ice cream. That sounds like a perfect Saturday. What kind did you get?
It had to be chocolate, naturally.
Naturally. It's the top flavor and a great pick.
I believe so, too. We spent the morning walking, chatting, and eating ice cream. It was a nice start to the day.
That does sound very pleasant.
How about you, Thomas? What were you doing on Saturday morning?
My Saturday was quite a contrast. I didn't visit the mall.
Oh, so where did you head off to?
I went to the park instead.
To the park? That sounds like a great choice.
It was gorgeous out. The conditions were ideal, with plenty of sun and warmth.
Ah, just the right kind of day for a park visit.
Yes, I was there with my family, and I went for a bike ride.
You own a bike? That is wonderful.
I do. It's an older, blue model, but I really enjoy riding it.
Sometimes those older bikes are the most reliable.
I concur. My son has a little red bike, so we went riding together.
That is very charming. Biking through the park together?
Yes, it provides good physical activity and is quite entertaining.
It certainly is.
Once we finished our ride, we took a seat on the lawn and just took it easy.
That sounds incredibly tranquil.
It was. Spending time outdoors in a natural setting is always nice.
So, while I was in the middle of a crowded mall, you were enjoying a calm park.
Yes, our mornings were quite different indeed.
What about Saturday night? Did you relax?
Saturday night? No, Saturday night was not relaxing.
Really? Why not?
My Saturday night was loud.
Loud? Oh, did you go to a concert?
No, not a concert. We went to a party.
A party? I love parties. That sounds fun.
It was fun, but it was a kid's party.
Oh, a child's birthday party.
Yes, exactly. My nephew's birthday. He is 5 years old now.
How wonderful. 5 is a fun age.
It is, but they have so much energy.
I understand. Were there many children?
So many children. They were running, playing games, shouting, and there were balloons.
Balloons?
Yes, many, many balloons. And the best part? A very big cake.
Cake. What kind of cake?
A big chocolate cake.
Wow. Chocolate ice cream for me and chocolate cake for you. It was a good weekend for chocolate.
It really was.
It sounds like a very happy party.
It was very happy, but very noisy. I was tired after the party.
I am sure. My Saturday night was very, very different.
Oh, what did you do?
My night was very quiet. Quiet is good too, especially after a loud party.
I agree.
My husband and I went to a restaurant for dinner.
Ooh, a nice dinner. That sounds romantic.
It was just nice and peaceful.
What kind of food did you eat?
We had sushi.
Sushi? Wow, I love sushi.
Me too. We went to a small Japanese restaurant. It was delicious.
That sounds perfect. A sushi night.
Yes, it was very relaxing. We just talked and ate wonderful food.
That is a great Saturday night.
So your night was loud with cake, and my night was quiet with sushi.
Yes, two very different but very good Saturday nights.
Exactly. So that was Saturday. What about Sunday, Thomas?
Ah, Sunday. Sunday was a day of rest.
Oh, good. After the party, you needed to rest.
Yes, I did. My Sunday was very lazy.
Lazy Sundays are the best Sundays.
I agree 100%.
So what did you do on your lazy day?
Well, first, I stayed in my pajamas for a very long time.
That is the perfect way to start a Sunday.
Yes, and in the afternoon, we just stayed home.
That's nice, just relaxing at home.
Yes, we watched movies with the family.
Oh, movies. I love that. What movie did you watch?
We watched a funny movie, a comedy.
A comedy is perfect for a family afternoon.
It was. We laughed a lot.
Did you eat popcorn? You must have popcorn for a movie.
Of course, we made a big bowl of popcorn.
Perfect.
And after the children went to bed, my wife and I watched a show.
A show? You mean a TV series?
Yes, a series. We are watching a new one. It is very interesting.
That sounds like a perfect relaxing Sunday.
It was a day of rest. What about your Sunday, Hannah?
My Sunday was also very peaceful.
Oh, good.
In the morning, we went to church.
Ah, a nice Sunday morning routine.
Yes, we like to go every Sunday. It was very nice.
That's wonderful.
It's a quiet time to think and to be thankful.
Thankful.
Yes, to thank God for our lives, for our family, and for the good week.
That is a beautiful thought, Hannah.
And it helps me feel ready for the new week. I feel calm.
Calm. That is a great feeling.
Yes, I feel peace in my heart.
That is the best way to start a new week.
I think so. So after church, we went home.
And did you rest like me?
Yes. First, we had a big Sunday lunch.
A Sunday lunch with the family.
Yes, it was delicious. And then in the afternoon, I rested.
Did you watch a movie?
Not in the afternoon. I read a book.
Ah, reading. That is very relaxing.
It is. I love to read. But in the evening...
Yes?
In the evening, we did watch a movie.
See? Sunday is movie day.
It is. It was a great day. A morning for church and an afternoon for rest.
Wow, we had very good weekends, Hannah.
We really did. And we used a lot of great, easy English words.
We did. So, the number one question is, how was your weekend?
Yes, and you can answer, it was great.
Or, it was busy.
Or, it was relaxing.
And we talked about what we did. We used the past tense.
Yes, I said I went to the mall.
And I said I rode my bicycle.
And for Saturday night?
I went to a party.
And I had sushi.
And on Sunday, I watched movies.
And I went to church and read a book.
And we both
rested.
Rest is a very important word for Sunday.
It is. This was a great chat, Thomas. I loved hearing about your weekend.
Me too, Hannah. It was so nice. And wow, look at the time.
Oh my, time flies when we are talking.
It does. I can't believe it's almost the end of the episode.
I know. Well, thank you to everyone for listening today.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you learned some new English words for talking about the weekend.
And now you can practice. You can ask your friends, how was your weekend?
That's right. And please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And if you liked this episode and found it helpful, please give us a big like.
And share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
Yes, please do. And we have a question for you.
We do. We want you to practice.
In the comments below, please tell us, how was your weekend?
Yes. What did you do? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie? Did you rest?
We love, love, love reading your answers in English.
It's our favorite part. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, Thomas.
The pleasure was all mine, Hannah. Until next time.
Bye for now.